Now to the latest way to take out a car or home loan. You don't have to pound the pavement anymore, meeting with bank managers and waiting for weeks to get the nod. Lisa Honeyville's met the customers embracing the new age of loan approvals, and they're not only saving time but also lots of money.
It saved us long term $32,500.
It was very fast. It was very quick, yeah.
Two happy loan customers. Vicky Swinfield's got her new car, Andrea Petrie's in her new home, built with traditional bricks and mortar, but financed the new age way.
That's right, I did everything on the internet from the comfort of my own home.
So you didn't have to go into any branches or see anyone face to face?
No, that's right, I did it all on my own keyboard.
It's partly where everything's going. I mean, years ago we never had an internet, and now you can do everything on the internet.
Andrea got her home loan through MyRate.com.au. She was drawn in by their low interest rate.
Our current standard variable rate is 7.19% with no fees on standard applications. That compared to some of the major banks are around 8.2%.
The company explains it can offer lower rates because doing everything over the internet means lower overheads. Andrea's worked that to her advantage.
The interest rate we were on before was 7.83% and this interest rate is 7.19%. So when you do the sums on that, it saves us $96 a month.
The main reason Vicky sought her loan online was convenience.
Well, it was a Sunday and there was nothing open and I saw the car that I want, so we came back home and I just searched the internet, put in my details, and then within 24 hours I had a phone call from Auto Capital and left it in their hands.
Auto Capital acts as an online broking service.
We match the customer or match the borrower with the best lender. We are probably the Aussie home loans of the car market.
This site advertises cars for sale, or you can find your own car as Vicky did, then carry out every step along the way to getting your loan from the comfort of your own home.
It was just, very simple and easy.
There are a growing number of ways to access finance online. Some of the major banks and lending institutions now offer the service, but the really good rates are often found with the companies who run their entire business over the internet.
If you are an online business, you don't have shop fronts, you don't have offices, you don't have staffs, you just have a central processing centre. That's got to mean cost savings.
Financial advisor Philip Burke says you needn't worry about the security of doing business like this, but it still comes down to whether it suits you.
People fall into one of two camps, it seems, those who are comfortable doing things online and those who aren't.
Those offering these products say it's not a lot different from doing business the traditional way. There's ample opportunity to speak to staff members directly if you want to.
If you click on this icon here and insert your telephone number there, press call, within 30 seconds, someone, an actual person from Auto Capital will call you back.
Time poor Andrea was happy to do business without face-to-face contact.
The documents arrived in the mail, in an express post satchel. When I opened them, I just rang them in Sydney and spoke to them on the phone. If I had a problem, they were there.
Her new budget interest rate loan still has all the features she was paying a lot more for previously.
Unlimited additional repayments, unlimited redraws, there's no ongoing fees, you've got internet banking, you can pay your bills directly from the account.
Competitive loans are out there, but Philip warns don't just be sucked into internet lending because of the convenience. As with any form of borrowing, you need to do your homework carefully to make sure you are getting the best deal.
People always need to shop around. People need to be aware of what's out there. They need to ask the questions and find out what exactly their options are.
Now for a look at some of the stories on our